amour, je t'en prie, bénis mon mari, que sa journée se passe bien, que ta grâce l'accompagne. Toi-même tu sais que c'est lui qui dirige cette famille. Ballonne-moi, donne-moi la force de le soutenir, parce que son corps, c'est mon corps, sa richesse est ma richesse, toutes ses peines sont aussi les miennes. Je partage la vie avec lui. N'oublie pas que tu m'as promis de toujours nous bénir, oh Seigneur. Regarde mes genoux, bénis mon homme, bénis mon amour, que toutes ces wara passent dans ton feu. Bénis mon gars, bénis mon mari, que toutes ces wara passent dans ton feu, ton feu. Parfois les choses sont dures, je remarque comment il fait tout pour ne pas me déranger. Pourtant nous sommes associés, chaque jour il garde le sourire et me dit tout va bien chérie. Mais je sais quand ça ne va pas, malgré tout il me rassure, parce que son corps c'est mon corps, sa richesse c'est ma richesse, toutes ses peines sont aussi les miennes. Je partage la vie avec lui. N'oublie pas que tu m'as promis de toujours nous bénir, oh Seigneur. Regarde mes genoux, bénis mon homme, bénis mon homme, bénis mon amour, que tous ces wara passent dans ton feu. Bénis mon gars, bénis mon mari, bénis mon mari, que tous ces wara passent dans ton feu, ton feu. T'en fais, t'en fais, t'en fais, t'en fais. T'en fais. Bénis mon homme, bénis mon amour, que toutes ces wara passent dans ton feu. Bénis mon gars, bénis mon mari, bénis mon mari, que toutes ces wara passent dans ton feu.
Quand nos regards se sont croisés la première fois, je reconnais, j'en fus troublée, sans voix. Je suis restée à t'écouter, timidement me parler, mais jamais je ne pouvais imaginer qu'aujourd'hui on serait
Il n'y
là.
a pas de temps qui n'arrive pas, parce que c'est la loi du temps, depuis la nuit des temps. Voici donc venu le temps, ce temps que nous attendions depuis longtemps, le temps qui leur permettra, eux, à Roger et à Mireille, le temps qui leur permettra de faire un legs à la postérité. Mesdames, Messieurs, chers convives, bonsoir. Bienvenue dans cet endroit où le ciel rencontre la terre. Bienvenue dans cet écrin de beauté où il y a une pléiade de charisme et de charme. Aujourd'hui, c'est une journée d'exception, une journée événementielle où nous nous retrouvons ici, dans cet endroit hélénique, pour pouvoir célébrer l'amour, pour pouvoir célébrer l'union. Ce soir, mesdames, messieurs, chers convives, je suis votre régent de cérémonie. Mais dans mon œuvre, je ne serai pas seul. Je serai aidé par une des personnalités les plus sublimes de sa génération, une voix qui estampille, qui marque et qui titille les esprits. Mesdames, messieurs, chers convives, je vous prie de faire un triomphe à ma fille, ma filleule, celle qui va m'aider ce soir, j'ai nommé Bibi Kiala. Faites du bruit pour elle. Bibi Kiala de la Kiala Culture. Bonsoir.
Hello. Hi, Daddy.
C'est un plaisir. Comme d'habitude, elle, c'est Bibiche qui va m'aider ce soir dans cette œuvre immense, cette œuvre de célébration, d'amour. Alors, Bibiche, il va écouter ta voix.
Once again, everybody, welcome to this marvelous, spectacular, luxurious, sexiest wedding of Roger and the Mireille. We are here today to celebrate a day. Amongst us, there are people that have already been married. And amongst us, there's also people that are single, that wanted to get married tonight, or find someone tonight. I believe in love, and I know you will. Daddy, how are we gonna do it? You know I depend on you.
Bien, ce soir, comme d'habitude, comme tu le sais, ma petite Bibiche, nous allons devoir ici respecter les codes du mariage. On va introduire ici l'homme de la soirée, le gentleman femme qui sera entouré par un autre clique de gentlemen, n'est-ce pas, Bibi? Il viendra seul de lui-même par lui-même, mais accompagné par une pléthore de gentlemen. Mesdames, messieurs, je voudrais que vous puissiez vous lever et de faire ce qu'on appelle en anglais, comment? Un standing.
Ladies and gentlemen, with all due respect, can you all be on our upstanding feet, please, to welcome the groom, the handsome, the king, the prince of tonight?
Stand ovation pour l'entrée de Roger.
Put your knives together for Roger.
Roger, qui en ce jour spécial paraphe une des pages les plus importantes de sa vie. Il s'appelle Roger, faites du bruit pour lui.
Come on, guys.
Ce soir, mesdames, messieurs, chers convives, nous célébrons un autre type de femme. Un spécimen rare qui ne se soumet pas au dogme de la beauté, qui a créé une autre voie pour elle. Elle est charismatique, elle est charmante, elle est entreprenante. Elle a de la tête sur les épaules, n'est-ce pas, ma fille?
The head above the shoulders, the bride of tonight, the queen, the princess. Give her all the name to her. Anything you want to call her, that'll make her happy, just do it. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want all the husbands that's going to welcome the wife.
Voici la magnificence à l'état pur, l'incarnation même du charme, le prototype du charisme, un spécimen en cours de perdition. Mesdames, Messieurs, recevons la sublimissime,
The beautiful, intelligent Mireille.
Faites du bruit pour elle. Voici Mireille. Voici Mireille.
Du mariage.
Dans son bataillon.
Les femmes dans leur journée. Tout le monde à la fin de fête.
Ladies, let's welcome Mireille. Let's have some noise in the home, please. As beautiful as she is, as strong as she is, we're going to welcome her once again. For those of you that haven't seen us this morning, there she is looking glorious.
Elle s'appelle Mireille. Une femme qui a la tête sur les épaules.
Le mariage, c'est deux personnes qui ont décidé de s'unir.
Bien sûr. Ils sont deux. Ils ont décidé de s'unir ce soir. Mireille
It's true definition of the saying. Behind this man there is a strong woman. And that strong woman is you tonight.
J'ai pas des conditions du mariage. Respecte ta belle-mère, respecte ton beau-père, respecte ta belle famille, respecte ton mari, respecte aussi ta femme. Vous serez heureux, il y a de culture. On voit que l'on dit je suis là pour beaucoup de monsieur.
On a comme l'impression que cette salle s'endort. Faites du bruit pour Mireille quand même. Plus fort, un peu plus fort. Il va sans dire, ma fille, que nous avons un DJ, comment il s'appelle déjà, notre master DJ?
DJ Talon.
DJ Talon, faites du bruit pour lui. C'est notre master DJ Raison qui a fait le déplacement depuis Manchester ce soir pour nous entretenir. Et nous avons voulu, ou alors, Mireille et Roger ont choisi de faire des choses différemment. Car ils ont fait venir ce qu'on appelle en anglais, c'est un
Live band.
un live band. Ils ont fait venir un live band pour vous entretenir tout au long de ces 6 prochaines heures. Et ce live band est amené de main de maître avec maestria par celui qu'on ne présente plus, Emmanuel Kenta. Faites du bruit pour lui. Super. Nous sommes le 6 juillet de l'année 2024. La famille Njomo, si je ne me trompe pas. Est-ce qu'ils sont là? Les membres de la famille Njomo?
Mesdames et messieurs, chers frères et sœurs, je suis Patrice Njomo Boileau, le frère aîné à Mireille. C'est-à-dire, c'est elle qui met la main derrière mon dos. Aujourd'hui, je prends la parole et je voudrais aussi vous rappeler que je suis l'ami de Roger. Je prends la parole présentement en tant que représentant de la famille Njomo. Je vais vous expliquer une petite anecdote. Mireille et Roger sont deux personnes qui se connaissent depuis beaucoup d'années. C'est une relation dont j'ai été contre pendant beaucoup de temps parce que, à mon avis, je me disais que eux-mêmes ne savent pas où ils vont. Aujourd'hui, c'est une preuve d'amour dont on peut dire que l'amour existe. En tant que grand frère, j'ai été toujours très protecteur. Je n'ai pas souhaité que ma petite sœur se retrouve dans de mauvaises mains. Je vais saluer ici la famille du Lingoué, dont la famille du marié. Merci d'avoir bien éduqué ces messieurs qui aujourd'hui est le mari de ma sœur. Je vais aussi dire merci à tous ceux qui les ont encadrés depuis qu'ils sont en Angleterre. Moi particulièrement, je suis effacé, les gens ne me connaissent pas trop. Donc c'est vous qui êtes sa famille, c'est vous qui êtes ses amis, et je vais continuer à vous dire merci. Merci de les avoir conseillés, merci de les avoir maintenus jusqu'à présent. Je ne vais pas être très long, je vais juste souhaiter bonne soirée à tout le monde et que le Seigneur ramène chacun à son domicile dans de bonnes conditions et que la fête soit belle. Merci de la mettre.
Merci infiniment, gentlemen. Faites encore du bruit pour lui, s'il vous plaît. C'est le représentant de la famille Njomo. Merci, prière de Boisson, vous êtes très bien habillés. Nous allons repartir par là, n'est-ce pas? Allons? Non, on va par là. Parce que celle qui va nous rejoindre là, c'est une dame. Elle est la représentante de la famille d'un mari. Je peux avoir un brun diamant sur ta robe? Merci. Ah, ça fait du bien. Elle est gentille. Je vous donne mon microphone.
Merci beaucoup, monsieur. Hello. I'm so excited, speechless. At this point, I have to make an effort to stress myself to speak because very overwhelmed. On the behalf of the Dikingwe family, I'm saying thank you for coming here. Thank you for coming and celebrate this wonderful day with us. I can't even cry, but I have to try. Because looking up, seeing this couple, it's like it was just yesterday. I remember years ago, Mira was she's a very pretty girl. She was like a little toy. And when one day I saw her, I thought that she was just coming to see my little sister. She pretended. She pretended, and she pretended until the day I saw her with my brother. I'm like, hey, what's going on? My brother told me, oh no, it's my classmate. I said, big sister, I didn't want to just jump into everything. Until the day my mom in the kitchen, we were talking about it. She said, have you seen this pretty little girl, very light skin? I said, which one? She said, this little girl, she always comes here. I think she's something going on within your brother and And her, I said, no, I don't think so. And we grew up as a farmers, and I like to go to the farm with my brothers and sisters. And my mother, after working so hard, during our little break, we were sitting down, she said, you know, we are here in the farm, but I'm still concerned. That little girl I was talking about, you know, her father is a police officer. My mom said, I love you all as a widow. I don't know if something happened, how I'm going to go, how are we going to do to get our, how am I going to get my son out of the jail? I said, why? I said, I'm telling you, something's going on between your brother and that girl. I went to my brother, I brought it to his attention, with all the respect, it's my younger brother, with all the respect he had for me, they started hiding. And fortunate for them, after I went out of town to school, they were free to do our stuff, their stuff. And when I got to university, a few years later, my brother joined me. Mira was a grown-up girl now. And I started seeing her. She came to me, hey, auntie. I said, hey. Anyway, there was no point to lie anymore because I could see, I could tell. So, but she was very respectful. And I didn't want to just bother. I said, well, he's a man. So, and she's grown. I knew that she was so serious because that was a few years. They were still together. But what I really appreciate, with all the respect they were having, this was like a good respect. Coming back from Africa, that was a sign of respect. It was not like today, now they would just come in front of you and say, what are you going to do? But that was a good sign of respect. After flying here to London, before leaving Cameroon, I was planning, I helped my brother to go to Germany. He was taking the classes, some language classes to go to Germany. I knew that he's going to go. So I said, okay, brother, I'm going to London. I got a créneau. I'm flying, but just keep up with your classes so you can go to Germany. And I knew that this guy was going to Germany. Unfortunately, it didn't work out. The day my brother went to the embassy, they didn't give him the visa. I talked to him. I tried to calm him down. He was okay. But my phone rang. It was Mireille. You better do something for your brother. He's going to die. He's about to. I'm like, it's okay. He said, no, please, sister, please do something. I knew that the love was so, she really meant it. The day she was talking and my phone was beeping all the time, I knew that she was in love with my brother, but not to the extent that it's today. So after a few years, my brother came, then Muriel came. Oh, when he came, I said, hey brother, this is the plan. As we are here now, let's look up how to help another brother. We were so okay. Then I flew to America. The first person my brother started working and was thinking about, no, Mira doit venir. Je dis que mais, what about our plan? He was, no, Mira first. I'm like, oh Lord. Then I said, well, you never know. There's nothing I can do. I'm here, you are there. I don't know. There's nothing I can do. If my brother, I love him too much. I said, if you can have a partner to stabilize you, why not? But after years, Mira came, and with all the love, they were here together. And a few years later, let me tell you something they don't know about this one. Mira had a complaint. And I talked to my brother, he didn't want to change. What I told Mira, hey, put all his stuff in the black bag and push him out. Mira, I said that. Mira said, oh, okay, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. But the following day she called me, she said, auntie, why are you so harsh? I said, but you brought it to me. So that's the only thing I can say. If you cannot cooperate, if I don't do what I advise him to do, this is the best way to do. He's going to learn his hard way, then he's going to change. He said, I'm going to tell you the truth. No, I'm not going to do that. I said, okay, fine, don't come to me. As a couple, trying to manage, talk to each other, that's all what you can do. Because bringing your story somewhere else, it's not because it was my brother that I have to advise you to do. Otherwise, that's a good way to have your partner learn But you find that that's a good way to keep up. I said, the only thing I can give you as a big sister, trying to communicate, do not bring your story out. A communication in the couple is a key. Because once you bring it out to a third person, fortunately it was to me. And if my brother, I wanted you to teach him the hard way so he can change, because I know my brother cannot leave you. But what about if it was another person? So try in the way, so in your couple, in your household, you rent on earth roof. Don't think that your friends or sisters out there do not have any problem at home. They do, but the communication is a key. And I really appreciate, since then, they never come to me with anything, because my brother he always called me avocat défenseur. Mireille avocat défenseur. I say, I'll go for it if you call me like that. But I really appreciate Mireille with all what I know, and I will know, I'm pretty sure 100%. Where my mother is today, thanks Lord, my brother didn't go to jail, because we couldn't afford to get you out, because your father was a police officer. But thanks Lord, today you show to all these people, to us, to the Jikingwe family, that I'm here today speaking on their behalf, that you really mean it, you have, so you all love each other, and I really appreciate that. Please keep up. And I love my nieces and my nephews. They know that from the bottom of my heart. Mira, thank you so much. With all the respect we have, I'm not the elder in this family. I have my elder sister here, my aunt, Auntie Therese. She was supposed to be the one to talk, but since I knew you all, I said from the beginning, so that's why Roger or you take this opportunity to give me a speech. Thank you so much, and thank you for everybody. Welcome.
Elle s'appelle Hubert. Il lui a fallu simplement un moment pour vous rencontrer, un instant pour vous séduire. Vous allez l'aimer toute une vie. Faites du bruit pour elle, Hubert. Sublime.
You cannot start the event without hearing a word from the Mr. and Mrs.
Très important, très important. Un des moments les plus importants de cette soirée, ce sera l'allocution du binôme, du tandem, des unionistes. J'ai nommé Mireille et Roger.
Thank you. Non, ça c'était pour détendre l'atmosphère. Ladies and gentlemen, mesdames et messieurs, je perds la parole. Ça c'est ce qu'on appelle notre moment fatidique d'un travail de moins de 30 ans. Bon, je dirais peut-être 32. Je ne me rappelle même plus de toute façon. Mireille and I, if I start to tell you the story, we will end up, I'm not sure where we'll end, because it's really long. It's about 32 years since I met my lovely wife here. At the beginning, we were just very naive. We didn't know what we were doing. We were just following our instincts. We didn't know what love is or anything. That's what we decided today to give a big testimony to God. This testimony is to tell you how God can impact in young couples' life and put them together forever. Basically, when I met Mireille, I was her first boyfriend. Okay, I will tell you the truth. I knew it, but she wasn't my first girlfriend. I have to be. We have to be honest. I will tell, and she knows. Okay, it's not a secret. But when I come to know the hands of God in our direction is when I was fighting against the challenge of the family. As you heard, my friend and my brother-in-law, I came quite a long way. So j'ai fait toute une bataille pour conserver ma chérie. Because at the beginning, when I saw Mireille, the first time I spoke to her, I was just crazy. I didn't know what I was going through. The other girls just blew up on my mind. I didn't know whether I had anybody else in my life. After the first issue in Mireille, then a few years later we were just crazy. A few weeks, months, we got crazy with each other, and then the family realized that something is going wrong. Mireille was taken away from me from Loom, because I have my friends from Loom, they know what I'm talking about. Mireille was taken away from Loom to Yaoundé. Oh my God, my world was falling on me. I didn't know what to do. I was completely lost, really. Because at that time there was no phone. Even if there was phone, I couldn't afford one. There was no way to communicate. I knew they broke my heart. But I kept praying. Because the one thing Mireille did before she left, she took me to church. And when she went to Yaoundé, I kept that vibe. I kept going to church because of Mireille. Being in Yaoundé, we stopped communicating, and there is something that I will never forget. And Mireille, I'm not sure if you remember, my first ever love letter came from Mireille. And that was it. Because being in Yaoundé and being in a room, there's no way to communicate, there's no phone, nothing. I was shocked one day at school in Lycée de Loum, because people used to go to Babia to read the names, those who received a letter. That was, it was like a prize. All my friends would go to the Babia, they come and say, oh, Chiara led. They would just rush and go and collect. Me, well, I never received any letter. But one day, they read my name. I said, come on, you're not sure. Who's going to write to me? I have nobody to write to me, They said, no, you have a letter. Are you sure? Yes. I went there, I opened the letter. It was Mireille's letter. Then I went mad. So from there on, I decided this is the girl of my life. At that time, how old I was just 17. Imagine that you get the girl of your life at the age of 17, and up to now, 50, she's here with me. So that's why I say, well, I'm not going to go long, on and on. But one thing I need to get everybody to witness is my pledge to Mireille. And I will do that in French, because we all communicate in French. Alors, ma chérie, mon amour, ma Blanche-Neige. Je t'aime et je t'aimerai toujours. Moving on, we have all this strong commitment in our relationship wouldn't have happened without you guys. Because I've got friends like Adolphe, who are known from since St. He's always been there for us. And I'm not going to name because everybody has been there. Joe, who is my best man, is always be there. So I will not name because you all have been supporting us during good and bad times. My colleagues from university, I know some of them are here. They know our relationship, they know what we've been through. My colleague from John Warren Ward, where I started my career, where I work now, everybody knows how much I'm committed to my family. And I will also thank Nure colleagues for supporting her because, you know, we've received blessings from everybody. Well, I will not carry on with my speech without telling you something which is very, very important in our life. I came to discover after more than 25 years, I thought I knew Nure really well. For hence to prove that I didn't know her, I don't know her. I was so shocked to know this part of Nure. Nure is the type of person that she can give her life for everybody, to support everybody. She's ready to give her life to support people. And the way I realize it, there is a crisis in Cameroon, there is so many things happening in Cameroon, and I was more interested in following politics, watching what is happening. But Nure was just, come on, tu me fais le temps, tu déranges avec les histoires politiques or whatever. But then, the first time that Nure realized the injustice, got a bit interested in the injustice that is happening in Cameroon, she got mad. She said, no, we can't live this. I can't sleep when people are living in this way in Cameroon. I could not find a sleep. I said, well, you have to be careful because what is happening in that with the dictatorship, you can risk your life and the life of your family. She said, well, what is my family or me, my family's life worth compared to those who have died? So I'm ready to give my life, no matter where I can go to Cameroon or whatever, I'm happy to give my life to make a change. Because if I try to change for my nuclear family, my children, or my family in Cameroon, it's not going to change anything because everybody has an equal opportunity and we should fight for everyone. I discovered that part of me. And then, to confirm this, there was the first demonstration in London. Nure was not interested, as I said earlier, I wasn't interested in politics. She was the first person to say, let's go to the demonstration. I said, well, think about the children. I said, she doesn't care. She thinks about those who are dying because she is ready to fight. By the time we arrived for the demonstration, she was the first one in the banner. I said, oh my God. I said, oh my God, I stepped back. I said, well, okay, now you hold the flag. Go ahead. Since then, Mihai has been a strong activist. And she's ready. Mihai said until the situation changes in Cameroon, she's happy to continue fighting. And she's joined. She was one of the first person to join the BAS UK. BAS is a brigade anti-Satana. And she's proud to count herself there. I will say thank you to Kamara Delta, who is the leader of the BAS, who took Nure under his wing to guide her and to support her. Thank you, BAS. I'll try not to share, don't worry. We met a wonderful Christian family, the Mugane family, who continue to do the work, to guide us through the word of God, supporting us and showing us the right way. And I'll say thank you to the Mugane family. And following the family, God guided us when we moved from Oxford to Esbury, where we live now. God guided us to a wonderful church, which is my congregation, the Baptist Church, who is represented here. Thank you, Pastor. And I will now end this speech to say thank you to our second pastor, Pastor Ngube, and the family. Well, now that I've started saying thank you, I don't know where to end. A big thank you to my family, the Jikule family, who is well represented in the UK. With the elders being Mama Sabine, who is my elder sister. Our big auntie, Teresa, who is here. I would also go back to say thank you to my family-in-law. They are basically, I'm not calling them family-in-law, it's my family, because we grew up together in the same area and we knew each other. So Patrice is now my close friend. We have Alain and all of them coming, most of them coming from abroad to support us. And everybody coming from the US, from Canada, from the Switzerland, I have Maminga here, I'm sure, from Belgium, well, and Johnny, you here in the UK. It's a blessing for us. Thank you very much. And I wish you a wonderful evening. I'm so happy, I'm losing my speech, but I'm very happy to see everybody, so happy seeing your face, seeing, you know, from when we started this morning to now, it's so wonderful. So I'm counting us a blessing family. Thank you.
Faites du bruit pour le Tondem, Mireille et Roger. Il y a trois choses très importantes à retenir dans ce discours. Roger dit, j'étais son premier, elle était ma préférée. Faites du bruit. 3 décennies de pouvoir sans partage, 33 ans de vie commune, c'est pas donné. Faites encore du bruit. Ce soir, ce n'est pas simplement l'union, mais c'est une célébration d'existence et de vie de couple. Nous avons, nous qui sommes... Tu reviens?
Oh, sorry, je peux pas partir. I can't go without giving a bit of advice, really. Something very important for me. I wouldn't finish this speech to give a bit of advice because our relationship has never been, I mean, it's not always been a smooth and, you know, clean relationship. Sometimes we do have our mind, we do have our problems, but the strong advice I would like to give to everybody here who is married or who is planning to stay in the marriage is to give love and ready to give a clean love. And the second advice is really to be patient, ready to forgive. Because Mireille has been, you know, she's taking, you know, she's been very forgiving, and we forgiving each other. We've taken and then we kind of accepted each other. Therefore, our secret has always been, no matter what we have in between us as an argument or problem, we will never sleep in a different room. And that will be a strong point of our relationship. Because we, over the 3 years, you can't think that we never had a problem. But we've decided to, well, no matter what argument, we will fight in the room. We will argue in the room. We will solve the whole problem in the room. Therefore, that has been a strong point of our relationship. The last thing really is to be able to plan things together. Because when, as a couple, you plan things, when I mean planning things, it's not necessarily financial. When you have like plan in the, you make plans for the children, you make plans for your future investment or anything, together is strong. It keeps you strong because at some point, everybody will try and look for his own interest in that investment. You cannot leave that investment if you think about what you put in. So when you invest in the children, you cannot leave away that investment in their education, in their life, just because you have a mere argument. Even if you invest in financially, you will think about the difficulty to get separate because of that, due to that investment. Therefore, that also puts you together, and no matter how long, you will still get back to talk to each other and move on. So those are the kind of advice I thought that I should also share. That's an experience that I would like to share, and our prayers is that people go from here with one thing and think about how they can strengthen their relationship. Or for the youngsters, you should learn about how to start building your relationship in trust, in love, and without thinking, how am I going to get, what am I going to get if I put my love? You just give your love nicely, you love the person, and that's what brought us together. Thank you.
Applaudissez très fort pour les mariés, s'il vous plaît. Applaudissez. Thank you very much. Je peux avoir ton micro. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Hiro. Mireille et Roger, je vous salue de l'autre côté. Applaudissez très fort pour les mariés. Est-ce que vous connaissez cette chanson? Applaudissez très fort pour l'orchestre symphonique. Back by your
Vous ne rêvez pas, tout est réalité. Nous sommes en 2024, plus précisément le 6 juillet de l'année. Nous sommes un samedi. Nous sommes dans un écrin de bonheur. Nous allons introduire des sublimes jeunes demoiselles qui sont des ballerines. Elles vont faire plaisir à vos yeux, elles vont entretenir vos oreilles, elles vont titiller vos sens. Suivez avec délectation. C'était nos balles. Faites du bruit pour eux, s'il vous plaît. On dit que la danse est comme un pinceau qui s'émousse sur une toile. Aujourd'hui, ces enfants vous ont servi une des plus belles toiles de la soirée. Faites encore du bruit pour eux.
Sorry guys, the three of you, do you want to come back here so we can give you a round of applause, please? Come back here, guys.
Oh chérie, pour toi je vais tout donner. T'es celui qu'il me faut, mon rempart, mon allié.
Avant j'avais peur de l'amour, mes grandes sœurs m'ont dit que ça fait mal. Alors en attendant mon tour, j'essayais de trouver la bonne formule. Pouvoir aimer sans trop pleurer, être accro sans m'accrocher. Mais j'étais loin de m'imaginer que je te trouverais sur mon trajet. J'ai changé d'avis quand j'ai croisé ton regard, ton sourire et tenu ta main. T'as effacé mon passé, ces souvenirs, tu me laisses croire au lendemain. Tu poses une couronne sur ma tête et un sourire sur mes lèvres. Et c'est un paradis à tes côtés à chaque fois que le jour se lève.
Dolona benina wenyintita dolamye bobe. Ulema mutinga dewa mondolo e bobe. Dolamye bobe. Mondolo e bobe.
Oh, Dolango, n'écoute pas ceux qui disent que Ndolo c'est une niaisette. Dolango, ton sourire est magique et mon amour est sincère. Elle ne me voit me poser main jusqu'à la gare seulement, yeah. Je t'aimerais intensément à compter de maintenant. Tout de toi me fait sourire. Elle ne me voit l'idoler. Ne me fait jamais souffrir. Elle ne me voit l'idoler.
Assemble-vous, je t'en prie. Bénis mon mari, que sa journée se passe bien, que ta grâce l'accompagne. Toi-même tu sais que c'est lui qui dirige cette famille. Ballonne-moi, donne-moi la force de le soutenir, parce que son corps c'est mon corps, sa richesse est ma richesse. Toutes ses peines sont aussi les miennes. Je partage la vie avec lui. N'oublie pas que tu m'as promis de toujours nous bénir. Oh Seigneur, regarde mes genoux. Bénis mon homme, bénis mon amour. Que toutes ces wara passent dans ton feu. Bénis mon gars, bénis mon mari. Que toutes ces wara passent dans ton feu, ton feu. Parfois les choses sont dures. Je remarque comment il fait tout pour ne pas me déranger. Pourtant nous sommes associés. Chaque jour il garde le sourire et me dit tout va bien chérie. Mais je sais quand ça ne va pas. Malgré tout il me rassure, parce que son corps c'est mon corps.
Quand nos regards se sont croisés la première fois, je reconnais, j'en fus troublée. Sans voix, je suis restée à t'écouter, timidement me parler. Mais jamais je ne pouvais imaginer qu'aujourd'hui on serait là, toujours là, toi et moi. Ta main dans ma main s'est glissée tout doucement. Je me suis
le plein. Il a pris un train de retard. Chacho Diva Plus Pona yo Molenzunda.
Ile moyo kombolingo mama etunisa kozala mwana tobange. Ile moyo kombolingo mama etunisa kozala mvwa matumba loleye. Ekoswanga lokola pilipili motema moko betamba. Hôpital soki pelilita olobelanga. Mama no 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 no. Mama no 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 no. Eh mama no 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 no. Mama no no. No, 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 no. Bitumbe bomakali balate mama. Koswa nezali pili pili mongwa ya libala mama. Kukua kasi uponinyo. Lelo ekoma raison. Yako panza libala. Tanga ina asambisaka bayokanaka soki likambo ezali kuku oyebi présence na yo ezali thérapeutique mobima linganga wayo ezali lisusu loi ya mama kuku kanisa lisusu makambo tolobanaki na yo mwana tokobota zwa mobimba na yo esanga tokokime ezala na bandeke simple. Mama yo 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 yo. Samona yoki akati ya barabara ebuki ngamiko wa mama. Atambola ndenge nini abanda boshoto kolo ya mobali. Atuni konse na motema cerveau eboku pesa réponse. Enga na sala nini. Mama yo 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 yo. Atuli mama yo yo yo. Baby, toko loko mama, yo yo yo.
Bino bato bozanga na bino problème. Boyo koyanga.
Kuku ko bezanga na photo tempo ainsi na change. Akoma zoto ya mama yo, zoto ya sana. Akoma sakozela liwana, azonga mabele. Akoma se kozela liwananga nazonga putulu bongo ya simpipi molimo natakomba mama yo yo yo.
Yadjo Bakali Teddy Kinsala mon général Totombola Mole Nzonda la Diva Plus Loboko Bena Motema Chacho
Kuku kobanzanga na foto tempo na sina chantanga nakoma na zoto ya Armenie zoto ya Ethiopie nakoma se kozela liwananga nazonga mabele nakoma se kozela liwananga nazonga putulu bongo ya simpepe molimo na zakuma mama yo 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 kukole senga distance yo yo tikanga kitimba ye mama yo yo ndako ekomigeto ye pongi ekimanga na miso ya kapo konsolenga
mingando, makosa de bo mingando
Papa ikonika.
Ayo yo singa.
Kamerune.
Ayo mbana singa.
Ego bana ebwan.
Lo nenge tema womo obanu muna.
Kamerune menge ningae. Menge jene lambo. Mane usami pa mongelende nana diamo. Usami pa mongelende nana matobamo. No mani pa mongelende nana diamo. No mani pa mongelende nana diamo.
perepeo langwe ya bisoramboeo kao biso yejom tikirundi ambaye mukurandu mewe langwe ya bisoramboeo kao biso yejom tikirundi ambaye
Como veni peño como ando va mío sabanga de moe y banja refleta bamba de poder Como de pozo de ñatue ando va mío welisane y banja refleta bamba de poder oh de poder refleta bamba de poder
Mais comme ça, aïe oh comme ça, mais comme ça, lo lo lo, ah ouais ça moi pas. Mais comme ça, aïe oh comme ça, mais comme ça, lo lo lo, ah ouais ça moi. Mais comme ça, aïe oh comme ça, mais comme ça, lo lo lo, ah ouais ça moi pas. Mais comme ça, aïe oh comme ça, mais comme ça.
Ando lamle mao
au sein de tes mains.